part 2 of this video. So as I said before, I am going to try to replace these 2 batteries with these 2 batteries to see if this part here, this whole chip system, is salvageable, because this bit would be really helpful in some of the little projects, robot projects that I want to work with. And I may decide to put a larger battery right in this so I can power some of my robots, because Eli, the computer guy, was talking about how it's very useful to use USB power banks to run some of our cool projects. And so therefore, because I trust Eli, the computer guy, because he knows what he's doing better than I do when it comes to building robots, I think I will use one of these. I have other banks as well, but it'd be cool if I could recycle this, because I like recycling stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Likey.